Ever pondered on how to elevate your workshop game? How to make your events not just informative, but engaging, memorable, and impactful? The answer lies in one simple phrase: Apple Vision Pro. Apple Vision Pro is not just a service, but a revolutionary approach to organizing and conducting workshops. It takes the mundane and transforms it into a captivating experience that leaves a lasting impression. Think about it. A workshop is not just about disseminating information. It's about engagement, interaction, and learning. And that's where Apple Vision Pro shines. It makes learning fun, interactive, and engaging. It takes the traditional workshop format and turns it on its head, creating an experience that is as enjoyable as it is educational. Apple Vision Pro brings a myriad of benefits to your workshops. Firstly, it offers state-of-the-art technology that enhances the learning experience. It utilizes cutting-edge tools to deliver content in an engaging and interactive manner, ensuring that your attendees are not just passive recipients of information, but active participants in the learning process. Secondly, Apple Vision Pro understands that each workshop is unique. It offers a tailored approach, customizing the format, content, and delivery to meet the specific needs of your event. This ensures that your workshop stands out, making it a memorable event for all attendees. Thirdly, Apple Vision Pro brings a wealth of experience to the table. It has a proven track record of delivering successful workshops across a wide range of industries. This experience, coupled with a deep understanding of the latest trends in workshop delivery, ensures that your event is not just successful, but ahead of the curve. But the benefits of hiring Apple Vision Pro don't stop there. It also offers exceptional customer service, working closely with you to ensure that your workshop is a resounding success. From planning to execution, Apple Vision Pro is there to guide you every step of the way. So why settle for an ordinary workshop when you can have an extraordinary one? Why stick to the tried and tested when you can redefine the workshop experience? It's time to take your workshops to the next level. It's time to create an experience that resonates with your attendees. It's time to leave a lasting impression. Don't just conduct a workshop, create an experience. Make your next workshop an Apple Vision Pro workshop. You won't regret it. You've heard it here first. Apple Vision Pro is the way forward. Now, it's your move. Contact Apple Vision Pro today and transform your workshops into unforgettable experiences.